Hey guys, this is Joe playing the bird. Opening, it's just what I like playing, so here we go. And now allowing him to gambit a pawn, open the door to his king side, and this complexity with the different things going on. I gotta just show that my king safety is gonna be nice and clean. And since the king safety is nice and clean, then that will be the accomplishment here. And once that's proven, then all will be well. I'm not going to take with my queen, obviously. I'll take with the knight. And here, got two knights going. It's good. They're working together, which is nice. And the kingside attack is staved off for now. This wing gambit never really is worth too much, in my opinion. It's a suicide. It's a suicide attack, and it's always a fun game for white and an unfun game for black. See, this is the way the knights are working together here. We got these two white knights covering all these squares. Since they're sitting next to each other, they're covering, look at this square, this square, this square, this square, this square. It's ridiculous how many squares those two knights are covering, and they work together like that. That's why the grand scheme here is coming into effect. I've been talking about king safety the whole time, so we can check that off the list right there. And the next check on the list is to look at the complexity and make sure that I don't get lost in the complexity. I don't know what's making me happy about this, but the material gain is really the only thing that I'm caring about right here, is just being up material. Nothing else really matters to me right now, so I'll just keep that material that I've gained, and that's all that I really care about now, is that. And the complexity is present. Okay, so now, as the tides turn, it's actually the opponent's king safety, which people would scrutinize. It's not my king safety. And I'm still going to win material here, which I'm looking forward to, winning back some material, which is occurring right now. Waiting to win that material back for a while. And since his king safety's in question and mine's not, then I'll maintain the complexity here. Gained so much material this game, it's unreal. And now the complexity will be maintained because the opponent's king safety is ridiculous. I am able to ridicule this king safety. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Alright, people. Let me see. My king's safe. I'm up material. Why would I need to trade? Let's keep this hard. Let's keep it complex. And what's more complex than playing c3 and tempting the knight forward? Because at the end of the day, I could still trade a rook for a knight and sitting pretty. I'm not afraid of any of that at all. What I really am looking to do is to attack the leader of his army out on d7 in the center of the board. Let's see, alright. So in order to attack that further, push it. Push it, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Woo! Push the pawn forward. And this is getting really advanced now, this e-pawn. And in blitz, you know, it's good to keep the positions hard. See? Now, you see that I'm up a pawn. And I've been up a pawn this whole game. Since the wing gambit was played by this person, I've been up a pawn, and there's no doubt that I won a pawn this game. So I'll just sacrifice one now and begin to scrutinize the opponent's king safety in certain ways. Let me see, based on a slight calculation, what we need to do is cover the light square diagonal, and then we can take here. See, the position now is calling for this check to save the knight. Here we go. See, it's a king safety thing. The material, well, the material, now I'm up material again, so I don't have to worry too much about my king safety. My king's safe. And the material, I'm up material too, but I don't want to trade here because I actually have mate. King safety. Thanks for watching. And just to go over the opening real quick, I really see now that my preparation was true. Just, you don't take twice, you leave the tension. The tension is to take on h6 or not to take. You leave the tension so the kingside pieces look silly when they're developed, and then you break the tension. And that's the way to do it. yeah, and whatever was played, it doesn't really matter. After that, you just want to leave the tension, and we let them take the pawn, and then our bishop takes. And then that's it. That's how you play to win Gambit against the bird.